Good morning. I just figured we would walk around a little bit and just talk about what's coming up this spring and what some plans are. Just point some things out. So there's, water, taking water away from the house. Here is a little moss bed that I put together last weekend. I love moss. We'll see if it takes. This wreath structure I put together when I'd like to put some honeysuckle or something. I don't know, something on there. Maybe not honeysuckle, that gets very big, but something small. Here we have a little tiny boxwood. It's put on a good bit of growth. Happy to see that. We have some hostas. And we have a, I can't remember what that little pink one is called. Super cute. Oops, that's a, it's a marker. So there's a little hosta. This bed definitely needs some work. There's a hosta, I don't know if it's gonna come back. There's that little guy. So, and then those two circles, I made circles with the mulch. Those are ajuga, black scallop. This one I don't know. I think that one's a goner. That one's come back. There's a hyacinth. So all these daffodils, I'm waiting for their foliage to lay down so I can cut them back. So obviously we need some, I'm gonna get some compost and top dress that. So this area gets morning sun and then shade midday and then a little bit of sun probably from about here on in the afternoon. This is a lemon joy sedum. I think this one is the Greek oregano. Lemon balm. Got strawberries. Look, we have one. Let's see if anything got to it. No? I think I'll take that in the house. So then we got some more coming. That's exciting. Put that in my pocket. I have to remember not to squish it. There's some raspberry, little baby raspberry. Now these are some seeds that I started. I don't know if they're gonna make it. They're not doing so fantastic. So as you can see here, these are foxglove. I'm keeping them watered, but I just feel like this soil that I purchased, like it's really hard. And I did pinch them back a couple days ago, so hopefully that's good. So I've got foxglove, Canterbury bells, snapdragons. So we'll see. I don't know. We'll go around this way. So I have 4 hydrangeas that I bought from Sam's last year, and they were, supposed to be like decorative indoor gift hydrangeas, and I stuck them in the ground. So I think only one is going to come back. And there's the growth, the new growth. Okay, here's the second one. No growth yet. The third one, no growth yet. And the fourth one, no growth yet. So there's a lot of weeding that needs to take place. This bed I'll tell you what's in here, and then we'll talk about it. But I've got 4 gladiolus coming back up here, which I'm happy about. This is a yarrow. It's yellow. I don't know if all yarrow are yellow. I think there was a... Oh gosh, I don't remember what it's called. I don't know. But it was good for pollinators. I don't think that's coming back. And then here it looks like I have 2 gladiolus coming back. There's a lot of morning traffic. So this area I think I'm going to change. I think I'm going to take these plants out and move them. I think I want to do something here like, I don't know if hydrangeas, I mean I have them over there, but I don't know if hydrangeas would be appropriate to carry all the way through here because this does get afternoon sun. So it would have to be, I guess, a certain kind. But I want to put something here. So either hydrangeas or I don't know, azaleas might get too big. But kind of like this whole span. This whole span. And then this is like a little drainage project we're working on, experiment. All right, we have a lot of traffic. So right here we have some sort of a little rose. I think I saw there's a bud. It's hard because it wants to focus on the grass. But there's a little bud. And then there's a vine coming up in there. I got to get that out. And then I don't know what these are. So I'm waiting for them to open to see if they're pretty. This right here is a swamp sunflower. Those little leaves are like blades. And there's more of this little, I don't know. That might be, I wonder if that's onion grass. Well, so let's see. So something, all right, so, oh, maybe it's a vine. I don't know. See how that broke out of the white part? Oh, I'm going to have to watch. There's another one back there that is coming out of the white part. If anybody knows what that is, let me know. I'm curious. Well, hello. Let's see if we can see some more up close. So there's the sun peeking. So that's where we are. We are in mid-April. Talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye.